Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the Tony's Chocolonely milk chocolate. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet is a big bar of Tony's Chocolonely milk chocolate, and taking a look at the details around the outer paper wrapper. And at the back or underside of the packet, there is some information about Tony's Chocolonely, as well as an ingredients list, nutritional information and contact information for Tony's Chocolonely. Now let's go ahead and open up the packet by, of course, tearing open the outer paper wrapper and giving you a look directly inside the packet. We can see that on the reverse or inside of that paper wrapper there is some information about Tony's Chocolonely and its mission. Now just setting that packet to the side and moving the foil wrapped big bar of Tony's Chocolonely milk chocolate into the frame. And to give you some idea of the size of this 180 gram big bar of chocolate, holding it in my hand right there, you can see just how large or big this big bar of chocolate is. And taking a look at the underside of the foil wrapper as well. Now let's go ahead and unwrap it by tearing the foil wrapper open. Of course, tearing it from the side does help, and peeling that foil wrapper open to reveal the underside of this big bar of Tony's Chocolonely milk chocolate. And just resetting the items across the tabletop and flipping the bar up to reveal the top side of this chocolate bar, and you can see the unequal or uneven segments of this chocolate, and of course the Tony's Chocolonely branding, as well as the broken chain link representing the slave-free ethics or goals of Tony's Chocolonely. And giving you a look at the side profile of the chocolate, you can see just how thick and chunky the chocolate bar is. And given that this is a milk chocolate bar, just simple straight up milk chocolate, it is completely smooth in appearance or molding. And to give you some closer up looks at the chocolate as it is in its freshly unpacked form. And of course the Tony's Chocolonely branding right there. And once again, the irregular or unequal sections or segments of this big bar of chocolates right there. Once again, giving you a further outlook to give you some perspective as to this 180 gram of chocolate. Now let's break off a corner piece and give you a look at the cross section of the chocolate bar. But given that it is just a simple plain milk chocolate with no fillings, you can see that it does have a very smooth and consistent and whole cross section. Now setting the big bar down and of course breaking this corner piece into a smaller two pieces right there and giving you another look. Now let's go ahead and taste it. So that piece had a nice, smooth, creamy, kind of slightly coconutty flavor, and slightly sticky as well, without being too sweet. But let's have another piece from this broken off piece and taste another piece. Let's go ahead. So consistently smooth, sweet, creamy, and slightly sugarcaney or coconutty flavor right there from the Tony's Chocolonely milk chocolate big bar. So that's the Tony's Chocolonely milk chocolate. Thanks for watching and happy eating!